Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my dear friend. Now today I want to share you this split AC for the Samsung 18,000 BTU. How to install 1.5 ton 18,000 BTU AC Samsung. How to I fixed? Okay, let's see you. And this AC is second hand. Okay, Pagar. You see, I want to. This pipe is I want to move because there is this go to state outside. That's why I make sure this pipe. Okay, this pipe. And after, where is this system? I have this system here. And this one, this system, you put after you want to check the measurement. And now I put the stand. This stand, you see the measurement, and 1 meter 6 cm, 1 meter 6 cm, and height is 30 cm. But this is not matter. I want to check that because here there is have the stand for the window. That's why I want to see the here. I want to see the perfect. Here is 19 cm, 19 cm from stand to outside, and there is measurement for the pipe. For 3 to 10 is enough. 3 to 10. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I see the level. Level is very nice. Okay, then I want to mark. I want to mark for the drill. Okay, mark here, for the here, for the one center. Okay, now I meet the mark. I want to hold. Now I want to hold. How can you see? Okay. Then I take the one drill. This better drill. And you see. This is only for the gypsum board. That's why it's very dangerous. I want to put the pressure. Pressure is very nice. I want to put the pressure and screw. After no coming any problem. Okay. Now it's 3, 3, 6, 7 hole, and you see this pressure. Okay, okay. Now I put this pressure. Okay, you see, this I make the hole is much, but no need because this enough for this hole. This 4, 5 is enough. Okay, and I want to put the one here. Okay, now I want to put the screw here, screw here, and I see the level is good or no. After I fix other, yeah, very nice level is good. Okay. Now I put the stand is very good, very strong. Now I want to take the measurement from how much? 3 to 10, 3 to 10. And you see this level also. This level is very important after your mark. This not looking from the outside. And 3 to 10. Okay, and I see the downside level because this one very important for that because not looking the from outside. Okay, now I make the mark. Now you want to make the hole after put the indoor. It's very simple. Okay, Photo. Now I want to make the hole. You see this measurement. Okay. I take out this. Like that moment, so like that moment, and put maybe inside. Then after fix it. Okay, now I fix the DC inside. Fix indoor is finished. Now I want to fix the outside. Okay, let's see you. Okay, now I finish the inside and I come the outside, and you see this pipe is straight. Okay, you take like this and punch. Okay, move like this, because after it's not blocking the hair, and you make sure the make sure the drain is go half after water is dropping the inside. That's why you want make sure the inside is last place for the downside. And after I want to fix this, okay, and let's see. Okay. And you want to fix like this. Okay. It's half size, this 1/2 and half. And now I want to fix the quarter. Okay, let's see. And you take two pipe, this pipe and this pipe. This pipe coming the board. After you take knot like this. After you move, it's tight. For in the hand is go the last. After maybe from the wrench, you move the 2 or 3 thread, because hand is not coming the last. After we are maybe leakage. That's why make sure. And the hand you are tight, this one for the last. After full tight from the wrench, you see like this. 2 pipe is same, because this video is coming that big. That's why I need to keep this. Okay, I finished the half. Now I want to fix the machine. You see, you like that. You take pipe or this, and coming there, you see 2 pipe is coming the wood, and get this socket is coming there on the service valve is fitting. After you this nut move like this slow. After we are going the last, you see in the hand we are go the last. Now I take the wrench. This 2 wrench. 1 wrench is not enough. You 2 wrench. 1 wrench you take the standby, and 1 is you move. 1, 2, 3 thread. You see 1 thread, 2 is tight. Now just a check. You see, finish this. And after you also fix this one. You fix this one. This pipe. Okay. Now I fix this. And this nut is come the broke. That's why I want to change. Okay. And you see this nut is blocking. Here. That's why maybe leakage after I feel I add the gas, after gas is go out. That's why I want to. This one also is second hand. I move the before and I have my box. Then I throw this and I fix this. Okay, I fix this and connect this one, because I have the all material. Is any problem after I can fix. Inshallah, is no any. And you fix how? Okay, you see, like that. You see. Okay. And I have the 1/4 piece for the size. So many size. There is 1/4, 1/4, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, have the all size. And I forced like this because this all pipe cutter is maybe sometimes is coming the little problem. After you see, once like that, and you make the flaring is coming the very nice. Just now you see, same like new pipe, same like this flaring is same new pipe. This same like music. You see, now it's very nice. And I want to fix now. This is very easy, very simple. And finish. See, finish. And I want to fix this one again. Okay, you see, coming the very nice. Okay, like before, you. I tried, but not before. Not see. After I look, oh, this is blocking. Like that's why I changed. Okay. Yeah, finished now. And quarter pipe also like this. You take. It's coming the fixed properly. Now for the hand, is go and the last moment. Then okay, I tied. Oh, slip. Very careful, not slip after it's coming the maybe like this. Okay, now finish. And I on the Allen key. Allen key is number 4. Allen key is number 4. Okay, on the Allen key, you see number 4. Number 4 on the Allen key. This one, because this is no have the gas. No have the gas. I want to add the gas. Okay. Because maybe this now still 5 years in the store. Maybe we are not close. The Allen key is good. That's why it's leakage. But no have gas. Gas is empty. Then you connect the wire. Okay, now I connect the cable. Now it's finished. Okay. Okay, my dear friend. Now I finished this AC. I finished the install. After how to now you see on speed AC how to fix the indoor, how to fix the outdoor machine, and how to connect the pipe, how to connect the this power connection. You know everything. If you have any benefit from this video, okay, can you like and share and subscribe to my channel. After on the notification, after you can get this new video. Okay, that is all. And maybe you want to fill the add the freon. You want to fill the freon. Okay, you see my video. So when you have video in the blog in my channel, you can visit. After you can see. Okay, now I want to, because this video is coming the long. I don't want to come the long because after maybe your people is not like this long video. Now I want to end this video now. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Inshallah, see you again. Other video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.